how to get Microsoft Rewards points fast. I'm gonna talk about how you can get the most amount of points. The first method that I suggest doing is referring and earning here. So once you've gone to the Microsoft Rewards, you will click on refer and earn, and right here it is going to tell us that we can earn up to 7,500 points per month as long as we refer people. So how this is going to work, you will need to copy this link, you will invite your friends, and you will earn 1 reward point for every search your friend makes on Bing, and you can turn pending points into earned points when your friends use Bing as their daily search engine. So you just want to copy this link, send it to your friends, and if they use Bing, you will earn points. Now, some other methods of how you can earn points are searching yourself. So you can use Bing and the Microsoft Edge browser to search, which is going to earn you up to 30 points per day. Browsing, you can also search with your phone or PC, again using Bing in the Microsoft Edge browser. This is going to earn you points. And also gaming, you can also earn points for playing games. So here, if you click on it, it's going to explain how that works. And also for shopping, if you buy games and add-ons and other stuff, this is going to add points, Microsoft points. It's going to make you earn points and add them to your account. And those are going to be the fastest methods. But if you have many friends, I suggest referring them. And once you refer them, as long as they use Microsoft Bing and Microsoft Edge, you will earn points and be able to redeem them for rewards such as Robux and other game cards. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.